Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're at Hershey Chocolate World with an inspired John somewhere here.
Expired John?
Expired John, because he's not here, so he's expired. All right, so come along with us and see what we can see.
Hey there, Buttercup. Peanut Buttercup.
Peanut Buttercup, that's right. And again, for those who are wondering, they do have restrooms that are handicapped accessible, as well as a whole bunch of photo ops. This is one thing that's a bit unexpected. Fluffies. That's not weird.
My gang colors. Chocolate gang. You're coming home with me.
Kind of looks like Rachel Ross.
Oh my gosh, I need to send this to her.
And here's inspired John trying to get a kiss. Oh yeah. And the crowd goes wild. Oh, there we go.
If I didn't, I'm sure it's not from lack of working.
And for those that need it, all you have to do is ask one of the friendly employees and they will take you back this area over here. And that is a handicapped accessible area for the ride.
My gang. No cutting. Love story. One employee that harvests everything. She works really hard. My goodness, that thing's huge.
That's what she said.
Is it?
Not really, no.
Dude, she can hear you. She's right behind us.
Here we go.
I've never felt so straight.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Through intense
I know that
pressure
guy.
and friction.
Stop the ride.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's
Chocolate.
Give it to this guy here.
Oh, well, thank you. That's very nice. That's very, very sweet.
It is sweet,
It is
isn't
sweet.
it? Yeah, yeah. Sugary too.
Sugary, yeah.
And made with all kinds of goodness. And probably child labor from the early
That's true,
1900s.
yeah. Well, that's what the picture said over there, yes.
Yeah, yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you for coming along with me and Inspire John again on this epic.
Hugely epic.
Hugely epic. Yes.
sweet.
Sugary and sweet. Yes. Oh, you took my line.
Oh,
sweet,
sorry.
Sweet epic. To Hershey Chocolate Roll. Now, as always, please remember to hit that bell.
The bell.
Got it,
Ring
yes,
the bell.
yes.
You got to ring this
Like,
bell.
comment, and hit that bell. And as always, have a great day.
Take it easy. Blah, 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 blah.